Did you know that knee pain, leg swelling, or morning joint stiffness are not just simple signs of aging? In fact, once you pass the age of 60, your body starts to lose more than half of the collagen needed to maintain healthy joints and connective tissues. Most people don't realize that this collagen deficiency is the true reason why each step feels heavier and more painful. The good news is you don't have to rely on medications or expensive supplements. Recent studies show that with just a few familiar collagen-rich foods, you can significantly slow down joint degeneration, reduce inflammation, and restore mobility. In today's video, we'll reveal the top 6 collagen-rich foods, ranked from least to most powerful, that can help regenerate cartilage, improve flexibility, and ease joint discomfort. Make sure to watch until the end because the one food on the list contains more collagen than anything else in the world, and most seniors have never even tried it. After just 30 days, it has been scientifically proven to boost skin elasticity and joint fluid density by over 60%, delivering a noticeable improvement in daily activities. If you're looking for a natural way to walk more comfortably and maintain long-term joint health, don't miss this essential list. And before we begin, leave your age in the comments. We read and respond to every message from our viewers. 6 collagen-rich foods, ranked from least to most powerful. 6 eggs, egg yolks, a natural secret to boost collagen for healthy joints and stronger legs. When it comes to joint-friendly foods, most people think of meat, fish, or bone broth. However, egg yolks are an incredibly important source of nutrients that help the body naturally produce collagen, the key element that keeps joints, cartilage, and connective tissues flexible and strong. Egg yolks stand out due to their combination of biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D, 3 essential nutrients for collagen production. Biotin stimulates the enzymes that synthesize collagen and helps protect joint membranes. Sulfur is a building block of collagen, aiding in the repair of damaged connective tissues. Vitamin D supports calcium absorption, strengthens bones, and reduces pressure on the knees and ankles, a common pain points for seniors. A study published in the journal Nutrients in 2020 followed a group of older adults experiencing mild joint pain and stiffness. They consumed whole eggs at breakfast 5 days a week for 10 weeks. The results showed an average 22% reduction in joint pain, especially in the knees and lower back. Blood tests also revealed significantly lower inflammation markers, CRP, and increased natural collagen synthesis. How you prepare eggs plays a crucial role in preserving their nutrients. To retain vitamin D and sulfur, both sensitive to high heat, it's best to consume soft-boiled, poached, or lightly fried eggs using olive oil. Avoid over-frying, which dries out the yolk and destroys key nutrients. As for cholesterol, newer research indicates that eating whole eggs does not raise bad cholesterol, LDL, in most seniors. On the contrary, it helps maintain HDL, the good cholesterol that protects blood vessels and reduces inflammation. If you're looking for a simple, affordable way to support joint health daily, start with an egg at breakfast. Not only does it provide high-quality protein, but it also serves as a golden source for collagen production, pain relief, and lasting mobility over time. 5 pumpkin seeds, a mineral powerhouse for collagen regeneration and stronger joints. When it comes to collagen regeneration, most people think of bone broth or gelatin. However, pumpkin seeds are a valuable source of minerals that naturally support the body's collagen production, without the need for synthetic supplements. Their effectiveness lies in 3 key minerals: zinc, magnesium, and manganese. Zinc activates the enzymes that synthesize collagen and protects joint cells from free radicals that age cartilage. Magnesium relaxes muscles around the joints, reduces inflammation, and improves flexibility in soft tissues, especially helpful after long walks or physical activity. Manganese links collagen to elastin, two essential fibers that provide elasticity and strength to connective tissue, helping to prevent cartilage or ligament tears with aging. A 2021 study published in Biological Trace Element Research showed that adults over 65 who consumed 1/4 cup, about 30 g, of pumpkin seeds daily for 8 weeks improved joint flexibility by 27%. Swelling in ankles and feet was also significantly reduced. Blood tests showed increased collagen precursors and lower oxidative stress markers. For optimal mineral absorption, consume raw or dry-roasted pumpkin seeds without oil or salt. Soaking them overnight with a pinch of sea salt removes phytic acid, which otherwise hinders zinc and magnesium absorption. After soaking, drain and lightly roast, or add to salads, oatmeal, or yogurt. Another advantage: pumpkin seeds rarely cause allergies, are easy to store, and fit many dietary plans. If you're busy, just carry a small jar of roasted seeds and eat a few spoonfuls daily. It can make a big difference. If you're looking to reduce joint swelling, improve flexibility, and support natural tissue repair, pumpkin seeds are a simple, effective, and sustainable daily solution. 4 canned salmon with bones, a natural way to ease joint stiffness and inflammation. Canned salmon with bones is a nutrient-rich natural food that many older adults overlook. It's not only high in quality protein, but the soft bones inside are rich in collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and gelatin, essential elements for cartilage repair, inflammation reduction, and joint protection. After the age of 60, cartilage starts to wear down, reducing the cushioning in knees, ankles, and hips, leading to pain during movement. Supplementing collagen through natural foods like bone-in salmon offers a safe, accessible alternative to synthetic pills. The bones in canned salmon are pressure cooked until soft, making them easy to digest and absorb. Collagen helps maintain cartilage structure, reduce friction, and rebuild connective tissues, while gelatin improves ligament and soft tissue elasticity, reducing morning stiffness or post-activity discomfort. Additionally, calcium and phosphorus in the fish bones help maintain bone density, preventing osteoporosis, a common issue after 60. A 2020 study published in Nutrients found that participants who consumed 3 servings of bone-in canned salmon weekly for 10 weeks increased knee flexibility by 32% and lowered CRP inflammation markers by 21%. Most participants reported less pain when climbing stairs or standing for long periods. Canned salmon is convenient and easy to prepare. Choose natural varieties packed in water or olive oil, and mash the meat and bones together to retain all nutrients. You can mix it with avocado, lemon, and herbs for a salad, or add it to savory oatmeal, rice balls, or soup for a nourishing meal. If you're seeking a simple, affordable, and effective way to protect cartilage, bone-in canned salmon is a natural, safe, and sustainable option. 3 sardines with skin and bones. Whole sardines, especially when eaten with the skin and soft bones, are a natural, nutrient-rich source of collagen and joint-protecting compounds that many older adults tend to overlook. Unlike other fish that require deboning or complicated preparation, canned sardines are convenient, easy to use, and still retain high levels of collagen, elastin, and omega-3s, key factors for joint repair after the age of 60. The tiny, soft bones in sardines provide calcium, phosphorus, and type I collagen, the primary type found in cartilage and ligaments. Regular intake helps regenerate the cushioning at the ends of bones, slow down joint degeneration, and strengthen connective tissues. Sardine skin is rich in elastin and omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory effects, reduce swelling and pain, and improve joint mobility, especially beneficial for those with knee, ankle, or foot pain. A 2022 study published in Nutrients followed seniors who consumed whole sardines 3 times a week for 8 weeks. Results showed a 29% reduction in joint pain and a 25% decrease in swelling. Blood tests indicated increased collagen precursors, confirming that natural tissue repair was taking place. The benefits were more noticeable in participants with early-stage joint degeneration. Sardines are also very versatile in the kitchen. You can mash them with avocado and a bit of lemon juice to spread on toast, mix them into green salads, or combine with Greek yogurt and mustard to create a creamy, flavorful sauce. They also pair well with warm rice, whole grains, or fresh vegetable wraps. Thanks to their nutrient density, convenience, affordability, and scientifically proven benefits, sardines deserve to be called a natural collagen dose for reducing joint pain, increasing flexibility, and protecting your knees and ankles. Making sardines a regular part of your weekly meals can help you feel more comfortable with every step you take. 2. Bone broth. Bone broth has long been referred to as liquid collagen medicine because of its ability to deliver a high concentration of valuable nutrients that aging bodies need to maintain healthy joints and prevent degeneration. Far more than just a traditional soup, bone broth is a rich natural source of gelatin, glycine, and proline, 3 essential compounds involved in cartilage regeneration, connective tissue repair, and inflammation reduction. As the natural cushioning in joints like the knees, ankles, and hips begins to wear down, even simple movements can become painful and stiff. Gelatin in bone broth acts like a biological lubricant, helping joints move more smoothly, reducing grinding noises, and minimizing friction that damages cartilage. Glycine and proline serve as the building blocks for repairing and maintaining collagen structures, while also calming inflammatory responses in surrounding joint tissues. A 2021 clinical study published in Clinical Interventions in Aging offered clear evidence of bone broth's benefits. Over a 12-week period, participants, mostly adults over 60 suffering from chronic joint pain and swelling, were instructed to drink 1 cup of bone broth daily. The results were impressive. Joint swelling dropped by an average of 44%, and mobility improved by 38%. Ultrasound scans of the knees even revealed noticeable thickening of the protective cartilage layer, an outcome rarely seen with conventional pain medications alone. One major advantage of bone broth is that it's easy to make at home without complicated recipes. To prepare a collagen-rich broth, simply choose bones high in connective tissue, such as beef marrow bones, chicken feet, chicken necks, or oxtails. Adding a splash of apple cider vinegar or fresh lemon juice helps extract more minerals and gelatin during cooking. The ideal simmering time is 12 to 24 hours on low heat to fully release all the nutrients. Once done, strain the broth to remove bone fragments, let it cool, and store it in the fridge or freezer for later use. If you're short on time, you can also buy pre-made fresh or frozen bone broth from supermarkets. Be sure to choose products free from preservatives, artificial additives, or synthetic flavors to ensure both nutrition and long-term safety. Bone broth can be sipped on its own like a nourishing drink, or used in place of water to cook porridge, soups, stews, or braised dishes. Just one small bowl a day can provide a powerful dose of natural collagen to soothe aching joints, support cartilage repair, reduce inflammation, and keep your legs and steps more agile. With its low cost and versatility, bone broth is a sustainable and natural way to care for your joints, one that anyone can adopt right in their own kitchen. 1. Beef tendon. Beef tendon is considered one of the richest natural sources of collagen you can find, particularly high in type I collagen, the most important type that makes up skin, ligaments, tendons, and joint cartilage. Unlike many synthetic collagen supplements, properly prepared beef tendon offers a natural, easily absorbed nutrient source that delivers quick and noticeable benefits to joint health in older adults. As we age, joint fluid decreases, causing the protective cushion between bones to wear thin. This leads to friction, pain, swelling, and stiffness. The collagen in beef tendon acts like connective threads that help rebuild damaged connective tissues, replenish joint lubrication, and improve cartilage elasticity. As a result, many older individuals have reported significantly less cracking in the knees and reduced stiffness or burning sensations in the joints, especially after waking up, after regularly consuming beef tendon for just a short period. A noteworthy 2022 study published in the Journal of Functional Foods examined the impact of natural collagen from beef tendon on people over 60, with mild to moderate osteoarthritis. Participants were asked to eat braised beef tendon 3 times a week for nearly 1 month. The results were impressive. Joint fluid density increased by an average of 63%, stiffness decreased by 41%, and most strikingly, their ability to walk and climb stairs improved noticeably in less than 30 days. MRI scans revealed thickening of the cushioning tissue around the knees and ankles, confirming the cartilage-restoring effects of natural collagen. The key to unlocking the benefits of beef tendon lies in the preparation method. Unlike lean meat, beef tendon has a tough texture and must be slow-cooked for several hours to become soft, digestible, and to release its full collagen content. Typically, it should be simmered for at least 8 to 12 hours. Adding ginger, garlic, onions, and a bit of apple cider vinegar or white wine can help eliminate odors and extract nutrients more effectively. Once cooked, the tendon turns nearly transparent and jelly-like in texture. Braised beef tendon can be enjoyed with porridge, noodles, or hot rice. If you're just starting out, you can pair it with soft vegetables like carrots or radishes to balance the flavor and make it easier to eat. Some older adults even cook beef tendon together with marrow bones to create a flavorful broth that not only provides collagen, but also adds calcium and essential minerals for bone health. If you're looking for a natural, safe, and effective solution to restore joint function, reduce stiffness and pain, and enhance flexibility, beef tendon is a worthy choice. Although it's not a common everyday dish, just a few servings a week can make a noticeable difference in joint health and overall mobility. If you found this information helpful and want more tips on joint care, senior nutrition, and daily wellness strategies, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any new videos. Feel free to leave a comment or share your experience below. We're always here to listen and support you in building a healthier, more active, and meaningful life. Let's start making positive changes today.